Hey, it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be unboxing another one of the 6th generation iPads. So Kathleen already did an unboxing of hers. I will link it in the description and you can click the card if you want to check that out. And today I have one, so let's just open it. Let's get started. Okay. All right, here's mine. Oh, this one has a tab.
Mine didn't actually have a tab.
Yeah, someone commented it's got a tab, and
Mine didn't have a tab.
Okay.
So
I don't know. I'm gonna set that to the side. No one really needs to see what's in here, but I'm gonna show it anyway. We have the lightning cable, all the instructions, and a charging brick, if I can get it out. Yep. Just basic Apple stuff. Opens from the back.
That wasn't that satisfying.
It's turning on. We're gonna go get this booted up and then we'll show you a little more of what it looks like. The cool thing about Apple products is that if you have an iPhone, you can sync up your iPad with your iPhone and it, speeds up the setup time. So now I have a, whoa, it's moving the entire set. Let me set that to the side. I have a slim folio case that I'm gonna open. Let's do that real quick. How does this open? Oh, it's magnetic. Oh my gosh. Check it out. That's so cool. Okay. Oh boy. It is a Logitech slim folio case and it's got a keyboard attached. So let's open this. So here's the case. As you can see, it's got a place for the iPad. I like the textured background. That's really nice. And then it's got a keyboard. I'm not sure how you attach the keyboard. I think it's Bluetooth. Actually, I can check. Yeah, it's a Bluetooth keyboard. Okay, I was just looking at the instructions. Now, let's put the iPad in. And just click it in with your thumb. Okay. Did I get it? I don't think it's in all the way. No. Oh, there we go. All right, so it closes up. Oh, I'm just learning all sorts of new things about this because I'm not much of a tablet user, so. It turns on when you open it and locks when you close it. That's really neat. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button and notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video. If you want to check out Kath's unboxing of this same iPad but in rose gold, you can click the card. And yeah, comment down below your thoughts, opinions. Anyway, again, thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye!